So last night I started by taking about 10 wheelbarrow loads out of this hole in the backyard where the patio is going to go, and I'm changing course. I want to try it with the tiller. This tiller was $50 for 2 hours, so let's give this a shot to loosen up. I've got quite a bit of grass to chop up, and I'd rather not do it all by hand. Let's get this dirt moved around a little bit so it's easier to shovel. I'm sure I must have looked like a clown show when I first started off right over here. Thing jumping and hopping and pulling. Once I got it figured out to adjust the depth gauge and the speed, and that you just got to get that first layer of sod busted up a little bit, boy, it came out really nice. I had this thing for 2 hours rent, and I think it's been exactly about 2 hours. So right here's the I'll have a 4-foot kind of a path coming off of the deck here, back deck, and then going on to the patio. Again, it's a 12 by 14 patio. I made this plenty big, so I'll have plenty of room to work and adjust the size that I need. But I think I have a good start here. Time to get this tiller back to the rental place. Oh, by the way, just so you know, it's got a Honda motor on it, FRC 800 tiller. Really does the job nice. Sure beat me up at the beginning, but once I got it figured out, it made easy work of it. You can just see how loose that soil is. I could tell when I was getting down to the subgrade too. It's a really hard packed clay subgrade, and I could tell when it bottomed out, probably about a good 8-9 inches down, I'm guessing. Yeah. Well, it's a bright, beautiful Saturday morning. It's about 54 degrees here, last Saturday in May. And I'm going to get started digging out some more ground this morning. I ran the tiller here yesterday afternoon, and I got about 8 or 9 wheelbarrow fulls taken out of this area right up in here in front of the steps. And I'll be working on the rest of this. So it's going to be a lot of leg work, but I'll continue on. So getting this laid out where the concrete will go. Just my wife and I put some flags in the ground here, some white flags, just to kind of denote where the concrete patio will actually go. There will be a sidewalk coming off of the steps there, following kind of where the wheelbarrow is. And then over at this location right there, that's the starting point for our kind of if you'd imagine a 12 by 14 rectangle, coming 12 feet out this way to this flag, and then running 14 feet out over to that flag right there, and then cutting back across 14 feet back to the flag right there. So that's the rectangle, and then we made some bonus space up along this area. We're going to put a little old-timey wood, kind of a old-fashioned wood walkway, wood sidewalk, right here in front of the shed. And that's where the concrete will tie into. So we'll go straight across from here over to that flag flopping in the breeze over there. So that's kind of what it's looking like. We're following the overhang of the shed here, kind of as our line for the concrete, and wooden sidewalk where they'll join together. I think it'll look kind of neat when it's all finished up. I just wanted to give you a little overview of what the pad, actual patio pad, is going to look like in this space that I tilled up yesterday. Still digging. I needed a good excuse to stop and stretch a little bit and do something different. Little update, making some headway. There's a lot of dirt moved out of there. Trying to get this area leveled. Pretty level, don't have to get exact. I just got this area to clean out yet from the shovel. Get a little better shot in the shade here. From the shovel over to about that shadow line. And then there's a little hump over in the middle. But we're getting there. It's a beautiful day, about 68, 69 degrees. Just cut the grass. I got the hose out to water the trees. We've been very, very dry here this spring. So we're getting a good dose on those trees. Well, this is where we'll wrap up the subgrade video part 2 of the patio series. Started off getting the tiller out here Friday afternoon, and yesterday and today has been spent digging all of that out, and I have got a pretty level subgrade here. Well, actually not level, it's sloping down like it should. And then next project is to take these rocks, which I hate, on this side of